A bedside squat, doing bodyweight squats using the side of the bed for balance, depth control or support, is a great functional movement. Let's break it down for you. Benefits of bedside squats. 1. Strengthens lower body. Builds glutes, quads, and hamstrings. 2. Core stability. Engages abdominals and lower back to keep you upright. 3. Joint mobility. Improves hip, knee, and ankle range of motion. 4. Balance and coordination. Using the bed for support helps with control, especially for beginners. 5. Functional strength. Mimics real-life movements like sitting and standing, improving daily mobility. 6. Low-impact option. Gentler on knees since you can control depth and sit back into support if needed. 7. Progressive overload. You can make it harder by reducing support or adding weights. Muscles worked in bedside squats. Quadriceps, front of thighs, extend the knees. Gluteus maximus and medius, hip extension and stabilization. Hamstrings, assist in hip extension and knee stability. Calves, gastrocnemius and soleus, stabilize ankles. Core, rectus abdominis, obliques, erector spinae, keep spine upright. Advanced variations for higher fitness levels. If bodyweight bedside squats are easy, you can progress. 1. Weighted bedside squat. Hold dumbbells, kettlebell, or weighted plate while squatting. 2. Single leg. Bedside squat, pistol to bed. Lower down on one leg to touch the bed, then stand back up. Great for balance and unilateral strength. 3. Jump squat beside bed. Squat and explode upward, landing softly. The bed gives a safety reference point. 4. Bulgarian split squat. Using the bed. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.